This is Attorney Mike Gravel coming to you from Chicago as usual, and today we've got a fun one for Christmas. We're going to go visit our old friend Cedric Simpson, the Honorable Cedric Simpson. I've done one other video on him, and he's a lot of fun, but we've got his call right before Christmas, and it is delicious. Let's do it.
Court calls case, People versus Noah Arbel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Amy Reiser on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Nicole Jameson on behalf of Mr. Arbel.
Mr. Arbel, can you state your name?
Judge, Mr. Arbel was previously referred for competency, and he missed that appointment. I'm asking the court to re-refer him for competency and criminal responsibility.
I'm innocent.
And that's why.
Well, I would need a new order. I will re-refer to defendant for forensic evaluation.
And I'll send that order over to the court as soon as I get back to the office.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
All right, and just one moment, sir. I will set this for, I need 60 days out, so February 24th.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll send a new packet over just in case they need it.
Thank you.
Your client wanted to say anything. Should I not hear from him today?
I would prefer that he did not.
The attorney wants no part of this, and you'll see why. It's not good. And I just enjoyed this call. I watched a little bit this morning. As I record this, it's 2 days before Christmas. He's just trying to get through his call and do the best he can for everybody and move on with his day. But the defendants are not helping him.
I would like to say something, please, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead, sir. What do you want to say?
The forensic people said I took a forensic class in school, and people keep setting me up. And they said that they're doing something shady with the forensics because that doesn't have to do with mental things. And if you get the quote for the things, they were fucking weird. And sorry for swearing. I can't help it because it was 2 times available. Schedule not good. And I'm innocent, so I like to say I took that class, so I know that I'm innocent. So forensically, I'll be good.
I mean, maybe you guys can tell me. I don't know what he said other than I'm innocent because I took that class. I don't know what class he's referring to. or what it has to do with his guilt or innocence.
So I just know something shady is going on because I know for sure. And
well, your first clue that something shady is going on is that you're facing criminal charges.
okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Don't forget to hit like. The boys would really appreciate it, unless you have something against Frankie and Ollie.
All right, Your Honor, peace.
Court calls the case.
Hello, sir.
Barrage Scott.
Yep. Right here.
I know where you are, Mr. Scott. I put you there. All right.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mike Yeti, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Scott, who is present. State your name, Mr. Scott, and only your name.
Barrage Scott.
Thank you.
So far, so good.
Okay. Who's here for the people on this?
Nimish Ganatra, First Assistant Prosecuting Attorney. I believe Mr. Danner waived our presence for the hearing today, if I'm correct.
Okay.
I can be here if you want a prosecutor on the record.
That's fine. That's fine. Yeah. He stated the people's position because it really was a issue regarding bond that we brought this to because these are already set for preliminary examination. Mr. Getty, what date are we set for prelim?
January 25th, Your Honor.
All right, I'll just simplify this a little. They just want a bond reduction so we can get out for the holidays, and the judge for all the world wants to do it, but the defendant does not make it easy on him.
Yeah, correct. All right, is there anything else that the defendant wants to say regarding bond?
Your Honor,
Community corrections orders. Go ahead, Mr. Pitt.
Your Honor, I have had a chance to speak with Ms. Tucson, who is a...
Hold on, just one moment. Let me see. Go ahead, Mr. Scott.
Who is a Mr. Scott's, I believe, grandmother, where that's the Galt Road address. They would certainly welcome him there. There's also a person who I have not been able to speak with named Shauna who lives on Ling Court, who I don't know if that's where Mr. Scott may rather be placed, but if the court deems it appropriate to let him out on basically a house arrest for this matter. But I'd ask the court to release him to either one of those addresses, both of which I have. The Galt Road is the address I believe the court has.
That is correct. And what I understood from the last hearing is that is the address that he would be staying at.
Yes, he is welcome there, Your Honor. And if for some reason a change would do him good, we could always motion it up.
So as indicated, this matter will proceed to preliminary examination on January 25th, 2022, 9 a.m. That is before me. As to the defendant's bond, I will set the defendant's bond at $25,000 personal recognizance bond. His tether, however, that he currently is on will be amended to home confinement to the Galt.
Yes, Your Honor. Is that correct, Mr. Scott?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
No.
Well, Mr. Scott?
I can't hear you.
Understand.
My ear is kind of messed up. I was sleeping. I think something crawled in my ear yesterday, so it's kind of irritating me. But I can hear you.
All right. Well, if you're waiting to crawl back out, but yeah, me too. Mr. Scott?
Yes, sir.
I'm amending your tether so that it is home confinement to the Galt address. That means you can't leave there.
Hey, may I ask you a question, though, sir?
Oh, here we go. Here's where it gets good. And his attorney is uncomfortable this entire time and should be.
Your Honor, please, may I ask one question?
Go for it.
Because this is what they wanted me to ask you. Because I talked to Shawnee yesterday. So she was asking me to ask y'all, will it be all right if I can get some out time to go with her sometime? And because I'm no.
Nope.
No. Okay. That's cool. She told me to ask you, so I had to ask. If I didn't, I wouldn't know if I didn't ask.
That's cool.
You are to stay in your home. You understand that?
Yes.
What else did I tell you the other day?
You said if I do everything I was supposed to do, I'll be released today before Christmas.
Well, yeah. But what did I say you'd do if you were violated? If you violated?
I'll be in jail for a long time.
You got the message. So we understand each other, right, Barrage?
Yes, yes, sir.
All right.
I don't want to be in jail for a long time either.
I don't want to put you there for a long time.
No.
These short things bother me too. All right.
Okay, so here we are. He's already done a personal recognizance bond. He's denied the request to get out. He can go home, but he's got to stay in the home. Everything's fine. We don't have a problem. But no, he has to talk more.
So what I will do is the defendant's bond is amended to a $25,000 personal recognizance bond. His tether will be amended to reflect home confinement.
So will I be released today?
I'm sure they're anxious to get you out. So yes.
Okay. Thank you. I'm hoping after I get out of here, after I get out of court, I can get released right now. Because
Barrage is not going to happen that fast. You'll get out today. You'll get out in time for Christmas.
I understand.
All right. Thank you, Barrage. Have a good holiday.
You too. Have a happy Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yes, you too.
Hey, but can I ask you a question though? One question.
Man, almost there. Go ahead.
One more question. All right. The thing about this is, can y'all like send me like before I leave today?
will it be possible that I can get my paperwork so I know when to come to court? Because
You need to talk to your attorney about that.
Oh, okay.
It's January 25th, and I'll talk to you before then, Mr. Scott.
Okay.
Thank you.
Am I done?
Oh, yes. You were done a little while ago. Good. Now you are done. Take care.
Connor,
Well, there you have it. I just thought that one was fun. I do like Judge Simpson. He's just a cool guy, and the defendant even was a cross between maddening and charming at the same time. I mean, he was ultimately sort of nice, but he just wasn't getting the drill. And watching him make Judge Simpson nuts was just, I don't know. It was an early Christmas present for me. Speaking of which, Merry Christmas to all. We had a great year this year, and I am really grateful for all the support from everybody. It's been awesome. I really enjoy doing this, but it wouldn't be any fun at all if I didn't have so many people being so kind. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Here at Law Talk, we like to have fun with silly stuff that happens in court, and every once in a while, and completely by accident, I assure you, you might learn something. Thanks for watching.